always wanted a girlfriend. Crush mo, crush kita. Sige, let's do this. Diba? Ganon. Pero, yun ang basis eh ng kung bakit mo niligawan in the first place. Kasi crush mo. Hindi mo mahal. So, expected na mag-grow yun as you get to know each other. Pero, minsan kasi, after that, pag nag-break kayo, unang isipin mo, okay, kung hindi kayo okay, mag-move on, maghanap ka agad ako ng girlfriend. Another one. Kailangan, marami pang iba dyan. So, yung basis mo for looking for another girlfriend is because something was lost. You just wanted to replace it. Kaya, pag you enter into a relationship after that, dun sa basis ng relationship, it won't last. Kasi dun, naghanap ka ng girlfriend. Not just you wanted one, pero alam mo yung you want the feeling back. So parang, so after a while, inisip ko, parang naging cycle. Naging cycle lang. It's not like, parang naging cycle. So para sa akin, instead of looking for a girl na mahal ko, I'll just wait until maramdaman ko yung ano na yan. Iba kasi kapag you start gusto mo ligaw ng tao kapag mahal mo na kaysa sa gusto mo lang siya. Gets mo? So, yun.
Okay, ayan, with that last answer from Ken, we'd like to thank you all for coming. But first, we'd like to hear from our writers. Miss Maan, please thank them and invite them and encourage them to write about Just the Way You Are and watch on Wednesday, June 17.
Ayun, thank you po for coming sa ano na po, Wednesday, June 17, Just the Way You Are. Ayun.
Thank you, Miss Maan. And of course, our dear Miss Carmi.
Hi, as always, thank you po sa pagpunta at sa pagsuporta. Sana mapamalita nating sa lahat na Just the Way You Are, kwento. Antayin niyo yung kwento at kung paano in-interpret ni Liza at ni Ken yung mga characters kasi kung nagulat kayo, kung grabing big revelation sila sa Forevermore, mas in-stretch pa nila yung limits nila. Parang ang galing. Kahit ako na-amaze pag pinapanood ko yung rushes, kung paano sila nag-grow. Ayun, it's a story about love, loving, and how love is, sabi nga nila Ken at Eliza, di ba? In a sentence, love is a call to be brave. So, panoorin po natin lahat.
Thank you, Miss Carmi. Miss Kim.
Salamat po sa pagpunta at sana supportahan po natin yung movie sa Wednesday na po. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Kim. And of course, Liza, the very pretty Liza, please.
Hello, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat, sa inyong lahat for coming here and for your questions and for supporting Just the Way You Are since the beginning.
Totoo. Ever since mo, andyan sila to support you. Di ba? Ang daming vlog cons na natin and press
Lagi
cons.
sila.
Ayun,
Sila. Thank you so much. And yun, Just the Way You Are po this June 17 sa Wednesday na po. I hope you guys will support the movie also. Bring your whole family, bring your friends, tell your family to bring their family, and your friends to bring their family. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you so much, guys.
May international premiere din to, Liza,
Ayun, yun. Sa
Oo.
June 20. Kung may family kayo din, sabihin nyo, manood din po sila.
Alright. And of course, ang napakagwapong si Ken.
Yes po, thank you so much again for coming. I'm sorry again for being late. And please watch Just the Way You Are. Marami kayong matutunan all about love, about trusting people, about forgiveness, about a lot of things, lalo na sa family, about understanding people and why kahit anong mangyari, mamahalin mo sila. Kasi sila yun eh. Kahit gaano ka ba utot mo, mamahalin pa rin kita just the way you are. Parang ganon. Okay, parang ganon. So, yun po. Sana manood kayo. Thank you.
Thank you, Ken. And of course, Direct Theodore, directed.
Hi. Thank you. Yes, thank you po. Thank you sa mga vloggers and thank you din sa mga nanonood sa live streaming. Sana tulungan nyo kami sa pag-promote sa social media. And then, kapag nabitin kayo dun sa kilig moments sila sa Forevermore, sure na sure ako, sobrang, baka kailangan yung magdala ng, hindi ko alam, joke. Kailangan yung, kikiligin kayo sa Liz Ken dito sa movie na to. Sobrang good vibes na movie and sana po manood kayo. Sabi na lahat.
Thank you so much. On behalf of Star Cinema, Star Creatives, okay, we'd like to show you, again, this is the take one, the movie. Ano tawag dito? The making of Just the Way You Are. Please watch this. Ayan again, yung mga ABS-CBN store, Just the Way You Are merchandise, ayan po, available siya In Tumblr sa 200. Okay.
Of the legendary teleserye Forevermore, Star Cinema proudly presents 2015's breakout love team, Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano. Mapapanood na sa pinakahihintay na movie of the season. Just the way